Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Entra Admin Center to require MFA detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Log in with your administrator credentials. Once logged in, locate the left-hand menu. Find and select Security. Under the Security menu, click on Authentication Methods. Now, look for the Multi-Factor Authentication option. Select the option to configure MFA settings. You will be directed to the MFA settings page. To enforce MFA, choose Require Multi-Factor Authentication. Review the settings available for MFA enforcement. Next, select the users or groups you wish to apply MFA to. After choosing the users, click on Save to enforce the settings. To configure user-specific settings, return to the user list. Select an individual user to open their settings. Look for the Authentication Methods section under their profile. Here, you can enable or customize MFA for that specific user. Once adjustments are made, click Save Changes. To verify enforcement, log in with a test account. Ensure that the MFA prompt appears during the login process. Review any notifications or alerts for users regarding the new MFA requirement. Keep an eye on user feedback to address any issues. Make periodic checks to ensure compliance with the new MFA policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.